In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock background here in Canva. Now, first off, it all comes down to the type of background that you have. If you have a solid colour background, like this down here, if we click on there, then all that we can change is the colour, because this is a coloured background. Whereas if you have an element, an image or something like that as the background, like this top one just here, to lock this, we first want to click onto that background, then we can come underneath. It might be on top or at the side, but see this little padlock? If we click on there, that is now locked. Now this is handy because then when we go and drag and highlight over the background, it's not going to pull that background. Now if we want to unlock this, we simply click back onto that background, click on the padlock again to unlock it, just like that, and then it's unlocked. So that's just how simple it is to lock a background here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.